Hello, my people. This is Kimani Thomas, and welcome to Kimani Thomas Diaries. So, guys, today we are at Pampered Rides, and thanks for clicking. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you like, you subscribe to the channel if you have not yet subscribed. So, today we are at Pampered Ride, and we also have Pampered Village where we are going to have some Swahili dishes and stuff. But before then, I'm going to show you some shot here. Let me show you. So guys, came over my DM, asked me where I met Mwende Macharia, the presenter Ready Maisha, but that's a place. So she's a fine lady. We had some good times, interacted, we had some photos, yeah, and some those. So guys, beside that, so this is the newly opened Swahili Dishes Pampered Village restaurant along Namanga Road behind Ola petrol station, so you can visit them. This is just the front part of it, so you can just check around it. It's very smart, as you can see, and belong to Alex Mokideo. So Compigo zaidi, you can see it, and then from there we have the car wash. So the car wash is there. The Pampered Ride car wash does all type of car wash, engine wash, car wash, interior washing and stuff like that. Then you can see there. Then the place has an ample parking, as you can see from far. You can see very huge parking area where is you can park your car and then you can have your meal at the restaurant at the far. There you can see some cars being washed there, and then the village there, the restaurant now at the far end there. So after this, you are going to head to the restaurant. We see what they have, but you can see the car wash, some cars being washed there. So I don't want to shoot a closer shot so that I don't record the number plate, but just see around, yeah, the area, the ground there, the huge parking area and some stuff there. So we are heading inside the restaurant and see what they have. Just some shot there. You can see the restaurant. So this is the interior part of the restaurant. You can see very clean, as you can see. The tables, the very comfortable seats. I don't want to shoot closer to people because we have some influential people there. But just see around the restaurant and we see the menu. So apparently they are offering akina shawarma, coconut chapati, ugali and stuff like that. So just check on their menu. Whether you can do order for deliveries. So I would like to take chapati coconut beans, which I saw somewhere. Let's see what they have to offer for today, but that is currently what they are offering. So it was so unfortunate that coconut beans were over because I was late. Because this is what I took. That is chapati and beans and some Swahili stuff there. You can see them. Yeah, it was nice, but it was so unfortunate, guys. So, but it was so, guys. I was caught attention by shawarma. a very nice Swahili dish that I'm going to show you its preparation, how it's made. I even carried a takeaway, by the way. So for those guys who know shawarma, they can relate. So guys, see this. Kama smoky. Alafu inafungwa takeaway. So ni mix ya nini? After umefanya hivyo, naona unapeleka huko kitchen. Nenda kupika tena. So guys, that has been a time at Pampat Village. You may visit them, go and enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the